So check that out. You can see the wave going back and forth, and we can change the direction. So instead of going left to right, now we're going right to left. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the glorious modular mechanical keyboard. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. This is a small and compact gaming keyboard. 61 keys. We have a silver aluminum body. This is the pre-built edition with our US layout. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have their customer service and contact card with more information about the company. Next, you can see we have our key and switch removal tool right here. Some additional grip as well for the keyboard. Then you can see we have two additional keycaps, our regular escape key and we have a glorious key. We also have our glorious Ascend sticker right here to match our Ascend button on the keyboard itself. Next, you can see we have a beautiful white braided USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. And last but not least, we have the keyboard itself. Check it out. This looks fantastic. Love how everything looks with the Ascend button there. Really cool. Here it is from the right side. Here it is from the left side. Here it is from the back side. You can see we have our USB Type-C. Beautiful design and our nice, I believe it's brushed aluminum along the sides. Silver shine to it with white keycaps. And here it is from the back side. Again, you can see we have our key removal tool. We have our grip, which is really nice. Going to keep it firmly in place. It won't slide around on this table, even without a mouse pad or mouse mat or anything else. Then you can see we can also adjust the kickstand out. We want to raise the height while we're using this keyboard. And we have more additional product information from Glorious right there on the bottom. Now let's go ahead and try it out. So check it out. You can see we have the keyboard connected to our PC with the included USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. We also have the Glorious software downloaded. You can see that on our screen. We have three different profiles up at the top right-hand corner we can choose from and tweak as we prefer. Within each profile, you can see we can adjust all the RGB lighting effects and some individual parameters depending on the effect. We can also add our macros right here. You can see how to do that. And then you can see we have our real-time keyboard look right there and how the different LED RGB effects will affect the keyboard. Then you can see we have our USB report rate right here, 125 Hertz all the way up to 1000 Hertz. We can also restore the defaults. And don't forget, whatever settings and changes you want to make, don't forget to hit that apply button. So now let's go ahead. Let's look at all these different RGB effects. So first up, you can see we have wave 1 right here. So check that out. You can see the wave going back and forth and we can change the direction. So instead of going left to right, now we're going right to left. Here's wave 2. Check out wave 2 right there. Then we have our spiraling wave. Here's our spiraling wave. This just looks so good in person. I'm afraid it's not going to look as good on camera. Fantastic RGBs. Here's our add mode. Then you can see we have our breathing right here. It's just going to pulse back and forth. Here's normally on. You can see what that looks like. Really nice. Then we have our ripple right here. So here's our ripple. Let's see what happens if we press a key. That's going to change the effect. Let's apply the ripple. And there you go. You can see how it's going to ripple depending on the key that we touch. That's pretty cool, as you would expect. All right. We got pass without trace next. Oh, that's cool. Just the individual key that we type on. All right, fast run without trace. Ooh, lights up the whole row for us. Cool. All right, Matrix 3. Here's Matrix 3. Oh, that's pretty cool. Here's Matrix 2. I like it. I'm liking what I'm seeing here, guys. So many different options. Here's rainbow. So you can see we got the rainbow on the keyboard now. We have a heartbeat sensor. Ooh, fancy. Look at that. Look at that. It's got the heart rate. All right. Check out this one. That one looks pretty cool. I want to call it Kumbaya. I'm not sure what this one's called. Then we have our digital times. Look at those. Look at how good they look. They're really cool keyboard. So many different effects. Probably one of my favorites. This is ping pong. You can see the ping pong right there. Next up, we have our surmount. You can see how that looks. And we can change. Looks like we have a couple different options there, depending on what we want, color scheme wise. Kind of got a nice gradient to it. Some cool colors. Here's glorious mode. You can't go wrong with glorious mode. Look at that. Then we have custom, so we could customize certain keys depending on our preferences. You can choose the layout there, which is cool. And then we have air. So we have our air keys, looks like. It went away. When we hit air, we had an air, LOL. So let's go ahead, let's bring back up air again. Here's the air one. And it looks like we still have just a couple of keys lit up. That's pretty funny. I'm not sure. So the air one might actually result in an air. Now let's go ahead, just for fun, let's pop off one of the keycaps and let's look at the switch. So here we go. You can see we have it right there. Let's go ahead. Let's remove it as well. So let's take our little tool. Let's go in, see if we can just gently press and pull out just like that, and we'll fling it on the table. But check that out. You can see right there how everything looks for our control. Clearly labeled for us as well. So everything looks great. And if we want, we can then go ahead and do the reverse thing. Put it right back in, gently pressing it in place just like so. And then we can take our keycap, line it up, and put it right back on. So check that out. What a great keyboard. Small and compact, but they do have a full version and a couple of different options available depending on your preferences. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.